the Kong Kodi build, which has been censored for YouTube. It has been recently updated. I did make a video on Rumble showing you how to install it and how to do any fixes or change any widgets or even remove add-ons that are no longer working or soon cease. So please check that out. It's a build that I don't really sort of play about with, use, but I'm a fan of King Kong, what's all the films, well, most of them anyway. Godzilla as well is featured in this build, and as you should know, Godzilla is the GOAT. He can easily beat King Kong. Not even Superman can beat Godzilla. I mean, Godzilla can't die. He's one powerful creature. Anyway, that's enough about that. Just trying to introduce this build onto this channel. I must have done this before, I don't know, but yeah, it's back. Kong.